If you are seeing a message that says your account is disabled inside Claude AI, don't panic. This usually means your access is being limited by your account status, your region, or your specific network settings, rather than just a random glitch. Let's walk through the reliable fixes step by step so you can get back to work without wasting time. The first thing you need to do is confirm your account is actually in good standing. Make sure you have completed any required email or phone verification checks that Anthropic requested when you signed up. Sometimes a session simply gets stale, so go ahead and log out of the platform entirely. When you log back in, make sure you stick with the exact same sign-in method you used originally, whether that was a Google provider login or a direct email link. The next step is crucial. Turn off any VPN or proxy you are currently using. Claude often restricts access when it detects unusual or rapidly shifting locations, as this can look like automated abuse. Disable your VPN, refresh the page, and try to access the chat again. If that does not work, try switching your entire network. If you are on Wi-Fi, move to mobile data, or vice versa. You should specifically avoid school or workplace networks, as these often block AI tools or specific ports that Claude needs to function. Now, let's clear out any potential browser issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove a broken session. In Google Chrome, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Select the cookies and cached files, then click Clear Data. Once that is done, restart your browser and try again. If the error persists, try opening a private or incognito window or switch to a different browser like Edge or Firefox. This helps you isolate the issue in case a browser extension or a corrupted user profile is interfering with the connection. If none of those technical fixes work, you need to appeal the decision directly through Anthropic's official channels. Go to their help center and locate the official appeal form. When you fill this out, keep your message concise and factual. Explain exactly when you first noticed the disabled message and what you were doing just before it happened. If you believe there was a misunderstanding, state that clearly and provide context about your typical use case. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information that isn't relevant to the account investigation. While you wait for a response, it is very important that you do not try to create a new account. Creating a secondary account while the first one is under review can complicate the process and might lead to a permanent ban on both. Instead, monitor your inbox and check your spam folder regularly for a reply. Once your access is restored, make sure your usage aligns with their policies. Avoid sending very rapid, high-volume queries and stick to a consistent network. This demonstrates good faith and reduces the chance of another false positive. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.